Right.
That's got me, I'm afraid. Julie and I are we're all a bit misty-eyed, aren't we, over that?
We are desperately trying to hold it together. Yes, well, I do struggle with a grey January day. Sometimes it is just a case of making the most of any blue sky that you get, and sometimes that is just a brief and beautiful moment. But today, at least it was milder out there. Temperatures about 7 degrees higher than yesterday. So overnight tonight, a lot of cloud around, some breaks allowing some patchy mist and fog to form, and perhaps a little bit of drizzle out of the thickest of this cloud too. Now temperatures, we're looking at lows of around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. These are the kind of temperatures we should be seeing as a daytime high at this time of year, and a real contrast with the -6s we saw overnight some nights this week. So much milder. And as for the weekend, well, Saturday is looking the drier, milder and less windy of the 2 days. The reason why we're in between these two weather systems, this one responsible for some very wet and windy weather on Sunday. More about that in a moment. But Saturday itself, a lot of fine and dry weather, perhaps some brightness and sunshine at times too, and perhaps some pockets of drizzle here and there. But the main band of rain is not expected to spread in from the west until later on in the day. Temperatures, not quite as mild as today, but still up to about 9 or 10 degrees Celsius, with mainly moderate southwesterly winds. And so that band of rain spreads eastwards during Saturday evening, with a rush of showers following in behind. And then Sunday, here is the pressure setup, that low pressure very close by, and the weather system associated with it. And what that means is cloudy conditions for much of the time with outbreaks of rain, although some brightness coming through at times for some of us. But it's going to feel bitterly cold because of the strength of these winds. They'll be northwesterlies gusting generally 40 to 50 miles per hour, perhaps 50 to 60 miles per hour later on in the day on Sunday. And that's when we're also expecting this area of rain to spread round from the north, and that could turn to sleet for a time for some of us. So then on Monday, it looks like we'll still have this very cold, bitter northwesterly flow, and that goes into Tuesday and possibly into the middle of next week too. So temperatures for a few days only around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius at best. I think on Monday and Tuesday some wintry showers, and then perhaps dry on Wednesday and turning unsettled on Thursday and Friday. I say perhaps dry on Wednesday because from then there is the small chance of some widespread snow. It is a small chance at the moment, but as ever we will keep a close eye on that one for you. And I'll just finish with the overnight low. So it looks like we'll have some slightly less cold nights, especially on Saturday night. And then it does look like for a few nights we'll see those temperatures dipping back down below freezing. That's the forecast. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.